You may never make any withdrawal in the Forex market if you don't know what I'm about to share with you in this video. Hello everyone, it's Solomon King here, and in this video I'll be taking time to share something really powerful with you guys. But before we get into that, let me quickly give you a brief story about my life and how I got into Forex trading. So many years ago, I heard about the Forex market from my friend and I didn't hesitate. I went on social media. I started with Instagram, searching about Forex trading, and I saw a lot of big Forex traders, displaying different luxurious life, big cars and a lot of things out there. And I thought, wow, so this is the Forex. This is what a Forex trader looks like. But then one thing I did not know was the truth about the market. And this is what I want to share with you in this video. And if you stay to the end, then trust me guys, it wouldn't take you that lengthy time to make your first withdrawal and start seeing a result in the Forex market. This will speak about psychology. This will speak about how you manage yourself in the market. I wouldn't hold any truth from you because I'll be speaking everything I know about the market. Now, first thing I want you to know before I go into explaining everything I want you to know is that forget about what you've heard about the market before coming, or forget about what other people are telling you about the market. What the market is what you will later discover through experience in the Forex market. What you personally discover in the market through experience is the truth about the market. So forget about anything somebody is telling you can make, 10x, 20x, 15x. The truth will be discovered by yourself. But I want you to also know that just like there is an unlimited possibilities of making money in the market, there is also an unlimited possibility of losing money in the market. By the way, when I went on YouTube, I started searching about Forex market, introduction to Forex market, different information. I gathered a lot of unrefined knowledge, and then I started trading. I traded for almost 2 years, but I've never made any withdrawal. I was only sending money to my Forex brokers, depositing, which is similar to a lot of you people's story here. But trust me, at the end of this video, I hope this video becomes the deliverer of almost every struggle you're having in the market. Those of you who have never made withdrawal, I want you to follow this video to the end because I'll be sharing that secret with you to the end. So I traded for almost 2 years, only sending money to my brokers, never making any withdrawal. But the break came through when I discovered a mentor who shared the truth about trading psychology and discipline with me. He taught me one thing that I want to share with you right now. He said, learn to pay yourself first. And I was like, how do you do that? How do you pay yourself first? He now started showing me the secrets. The first thing he taught me was how to make frequent withdrawal and to cut down my unnecessary ambition and greed in the market. Now, the same thing with a lot of you out there trading in the market. You want to make 10x, 100x, 1000x on your investment or on your capital. And the truth is that the only people that make money in the market, in the Forex market, are those people who have learned to control their emotions and their greed. And this explains the concept of paying yourself first. Let's take, for example, you funded your account with just $100 and you were able to make $10 profit on it. A lot of you will be having that, itching. You just want to keep it. You just want to multiply that money to reach $200. Now you've taken it to $180 in the market. You never made any withdrawal. You want to make it 1,000. One thing that is happening to you while you're doing that is that you're building up greed inside of you. And greed will always conquer your intentions. That greed you're building will be the same reason why you will lose both the money you've made and your initial capital. Why? Because you couldn't do the right thing when it is needed. So one thing I want you to know is that always make this a rule. When you make small profit, withdraw it, especially now that you are starting out. If you make $10 in the market Out of your $100 capital, withdraw the $10. Enjoy it. Spend it. It may not be big, but you are doing something to your mind. You are helping your mind get activated and enjoy the benefit of your trading effort. That is one of the secrets of withdrawals. Every time you make withdrawal, it does something to your mind. You are making money out of your wisdom or out of your skills in the market. Trading in the Forex market is an entire skill set. You cannot make profit in the market without having that skill, definitely. So learn to pay yourself that has helped you earn through that particular skill. So if you make $100 from your $1,000 investment, withdraw the $100. Enjoy it. And I want you to know that you will not last in the market if you have not learned the secret of risk management. You will always come back to zero if you cannot do money management correctly. A lot of the time you see people come with different stories. I have a lot of students coming to me asking me, do I flip my accounts? Do you make 100x, 1000x in the market? I said, only gamblers do that. You cannot consistently do that in the Forex market. There is a sequence and it is a principle that helps you build in the Forex market, not luck. If you build anything in this market through luck, you will always lose it through mismanagement. That is why I want you to first of all work within your principle. Find a book called The Disciplined Trader. I think I have a copy here. I have the soft copy and I have the hard copy. Let me check if I still have it right here on my decks. I put it close to me. Almost every day I study what is inside here. And this ends the struggle of losing money in the Forex market. Trust me, guys, there is no solution out there except that one you have discovered by yourself and you have built in the inside of you. Show me one person, one Forex trader that is successful in the market and does not have a trading rule and a set of discipline he follows. It is a principle across the globe. If you don't have discipline, you will not make money in the Forex market. It is as simple as that. Those who always lose money in the market are those people who cannot manage their funds. I had a particular student that I asked to trade $100 for 6 months and I will help him get a proprietary firm account. Trust me, guys. I gave him a set of rules. I said, anytime you are entering trade, use this rule. Never trade more than 3% of that account. That was $100. That means he should never risk more than $3 per trade. That was even too much. But then I wanted to see how far he would go. Do you know how many trades it would take you to completely wipe out $100 account following the principle of 3% of your account? That is so many trades, which is almost impossible for you to lose all of them. So if you find anybody losing money in the Forex market, there are two things that cause that. Number one is over trading. Number two is poor money management. These are the only things that happens. And trust me, guys, even the biggest or the most professional of the traders out there loses money in the market. The only difference is their kind of psychology, what they know about money management and how they do it effectively. I'm taking time to show you this truth that a lot of mentors will not show you, but I love every one of you out there trading and I don't want you to lose money in the market. That is why I'm sharing this with you. The next time you will fund your account with $100 or no matter how much you're funding, maybe $1,000, $10,000, $7,000, make up your mind to never lose that money. Make sure you follow through the discipline requirement. And that is why a lot of you people cannot trade proprietary firms, because they set rules for you. That is the same thing proprietary firms are doing to you. They may not necessarily manipulate the market, but they know that a lot of traders don't have discipline. And if they can put set of rules that traders are supposed to follow, a lot of traders will violate those rules. And that is why they are still existing. They know that you will not follow those rules. You will not be able to trade or to just stay within 1% risk in a day. You want to risk 100%. You want to flip your account. And that is the reason why you keep losing your account. If you want me to mentor you on trading psychology or on trading discipline, I'm ready to do that. You can hit me up through the WhatsApp contact in the description. I will be your accountability coach. I want to monitor your progress, make sure you be able to do it correctly, and then ensure that you bring it to fruition and be able to become successful in the Forex market. I'm taking time to see that a lot of you people become successful in the market very soon, and it wouldn't take you up to 2 years to make your first withdrawal if you follow through everything I shared with you in this particular video. Guys, thank you very much. I hope this video helps somebody out there. In case you have somebody that is struggling in the market, making different losses every day, kindly share this video with them and tell them to come and watch this to know what it takes to make money in the market. Your first withdrawal is not far away from you, but definitely not the way you are trading now. You need to bring in the culture of discipline, and you need to start paying yourself. I know a lot of you people have made $10 from your $100 before, but then you lost everything just few minutes or few days after that. Make sure you learn to pay yourself. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.